Have you experienced times when your EA was profitable in trending market and suddenly all the profit was taken back in a series of losses? What is the reason and how to avoid it? Let me explain the basic principle how most Forex systems work. They are tuned up to work in a specific market condition. They often make money in a trending market, but lose money in a choppy market. It is not a problem as long as the market is trending and the system is making more money than it loses. Such a system can be profitable for several months and you would be happy with it. But prepare for the worst. Market change over time. A well-designed system starts with trend analysis to stay away from potentially losing trades. There are two problems of how a Forex system recognizes the trend. Problem: false strong trend indication. The system responds only to immediate price action. An explosive price movement that is usually the result of news release is tempting people to jump in and make a profit. It looks like a strong trend, but what usually happens next is a hard fall. To avoid falling into this trap, check for the solution to find a real trend. Second problem: trend reliability. Most systems use various indicators to determine the trend. Actually, there is nothing bad about using indicators. One simply moving average can do the job. The problem comes with the question, is the market trending now? Whether the market is trending or not trending is not like black and white. The correct question is, how well the market is trending? And here we have something called trend reliability. Trends exist and they can be traded up and down for a profit. You have to focus only on the most reliable market trends. Forex Trendy is a software solution to find the best trending currency pairs, time frames and compute the trend reliability for each Forex chart. Please click the link below for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. If this video was informative to you,